Who says little dogs can't be trained? This is Twister, a rat terrier working on his attention around distractions using the place in motion drill. If you look closely, Michelle has added hand signals to her sitting down on the place. Place just means hang out. It provides our clients a way to direct their dog's energy. Remember, control and a happy dog under control is our goal with Sit Means Sit. Interested? Franchises are available. Okay, Michelle, so you've got Twister and you've been training for a little while with him. What have you taken from Sit Means Sit training?
A new dog. He's obedient, he's happy, I'm happy, and he's not climbing the walls anymore.
Thank you, Michelle.